Yeni sankomo yi. Ehun here because OSP
Akoma FM
the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Officer by anani da so ho pa. Edu ba bi na nkrofo and some of us here can say office no duplication of duties and then because when you look at Yoko and other offices some actor more or less the same a similar act now uni ade ye adwuma nti ebi mu call say nkebe crank and scrappy cran nanka yenkoye ni but here we are the power to prosecute under the OSP said to me someone challenged it at the court
87.9
court really say yes OSP to me no attorney general so upon be ama wa na ade ye adwuma but at the moment said to me no enye wo dia
say John me do ase unfortunately my family constitution now maybe my handicap kakra but I'll try me know can be about make system. The system I was talking about is the delegate system. Your branch and I say MP for become police station executives and a tuaba. And that system no and I make
Akoma FM 87.9.
Now back to the OSP. Obakaya a brand na I think MPP bar powerful for 2017 and on me say almost the office of the Special Prosecutor. Now bill no call Parliament no. Or me say independent special prosecutor. Independent special prosecutor. Now this subject no. Say John, you discuss ya mekai MPP chairman no was anti achim no central north den. No a secretary yes, chairman time ya tia who be Santi Achim Central George Cheba for the late. Me need to discuss this topic. Nah. No, because be independent. No. If you want to talk about independence of the special prosecutor, it is never achievable. Do you know why? Where the Article 88 of the 1992 Constitution, it talks about the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Now, the only minister yaboni di wa Constitution no is the Attorney General. Say President Biban wasi obey ministers 5 wa. Say 5 ministers no. On to me nyi wa bra onyi Attorney General anka ho. Now, so we had the Article 88 of the 1992 Constitution. It talks about the Attorney General. Now I think at 88.3 talks about the prosecutorial powers of the Attorney General. Now it says answer near bear prosecution, Sir John. The initiation of criminal cases and prosecution of same lies with the Attorney General. Now Sir John, who in 1992 Constitution was Article 88 near entrenched provision. Yeah, in Mramuno say kase entrenched provision the passion say sa article no answer ne betuma yan sakraye answer ne betuma asesam no just a referendum and until say ye beko Ghana fa na nyina me ato aba say sa tumi na emrakuni no dia ma Attorney General no yan sesam no obi biara not even the president not even the Supreme Court can take away that power from the Attorney General. And until a no mere discussion, debate or Parliament.
87.9.
And along the line, almost the bill no Office of the Special Prosecutor because consensus was achieved. Say the independence of the Special Prosecutor a challenge kakra because of that caveat no Article 88. Now, already me work Hansard Biwa parliamentary Hansard, 1st November 2017 bill no. We had discussions be an Koswa. Dr. Ayini raised I think Banda Mr. Banda they know Abdullah Banda of Fenso South MP no. I think that was one no constitutional way as a one chair. Now Dr. Ayini can be was it Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, for instance, she could do so by constitutional instrument. She refers to the then Attorney General, or by legislative instrument, where it will spell out clearly what the jurisdiction of the office of the special prosecutor is. This is because what we are doing here is to say that Parliament is by statute making the Attorney General authorize the special prosecutor, but she's the one who is delegating that authority, and there has to be a mode of delegation, Mr. Speaker. That's the point that I'm making. And they are not a patch say yes, the Article 88 not the to me idea prosecution of criminal cases no Emma Attorney General so he was trying to fashion out a model so they are not patching in answer say okasi yenye nhihye mra bi saa mra no say bia yenye statute bi anase bia yenye bia constitutional instrument or executive instrument sa ehihye ni nyina no a conflict with what the Article 88 ne can. And even at the point I know mo yemra no, there was this idea no mo envisage say a bedroom maybe there will be this challenge. Now, se ka statute ye emra parliament ashe. Now, where Constitution of Ghana Article 1 no a whole banana. I just said the constitution no, that's 1992 constitution no. It is the supreme law of the land. Na emra biara ewo Ghana ha no ehye constitution no. It is what say we statute ni just emra bia emra yakoye no parliament na. Eno no can never be stronger than your friends emra kuni no, which is the constitution. So na say where dey kosi ya, people are also raising issues say there's one guy be me refini din kakra there's one guy be wako Supreme Court say the office of the special prosecutor no enye constitutional, so he has gone to the Supreme Court to seek constitutional interpretation. Now where constitution na the interpretation of the constitution no say won't be bias wo mrama the and I said court wa to me in one in some say also chirechire say ade we efa mramu and I say mfa mramu the Supreme Court of Ghana. Now sa abante no I'm trying to find his name. Yes, Noah Adamte. Noah Adamte is in the Supreme Court. Now people are raising issues say what were the ruling by the High Court and they say there's OSP no any that power say o initiate no your prosecution so far as your friend say criminal cases are concerned no. Among for reasons you say the power to interpret the constitution lies with the Attorney General the Supreme Court and the other High Court na koye. Let me give this education. Okay, now if you look at if you look at the High Court ruling now, say John you will be a friend of supervisory jurisdiction where the superior courts now, including the superior court, High Court, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. No, one more be a friend of supervisory jurisdiction. Now, almost to me, war lower court, circuit, magistrate court, and I say district court, any circuit court, no more supervisory jurisdiction. Now, OSPA pursue case against an individual, our circuit court, and I say, in Mramia will be a friend call around to no. Say an inferior court. An inferior court dim obi asemo or to me say or challenging the prosecutor no the all prosecutor say by what authority to me ben na wo what they say the over ye prosecutorial architecture na Attorney General ma post for to me to prosecute Senate GRA any other. Do you understand? So court or na court ruling say the Attorney General na to me am chere ehye say the the OSP na to me am chere say Attorney General na money to me say onye the warrant to prosecute. So that is where the friction is. In me that I am expecting say the Supreme Court should rule now possibly you to me fashion out a process is a be by case no attorney general, sorry, OSP no kwaje warrant every the attorney general.
Ansana.
That will, you know,
What you mean?
authorize him to prosecute.
Yeah.
And yes, sir, there will be this legal
Right,
quagmire.
thank you.
Akoma
the
FM
time. Jimmy,
87.9
also Kase.
Kumasi.
There, they are question man. The who do crowd to me.